Before starting the video, I want to say one thing, and it doesn't matter which country you belong to and which educational degree you have. If you don't know about how to make money online, here on this channel you will learn absolutely free and you will be able to earn thousands of dollars. But before going to the method, I have a question for you, that how much money you want to earn. That is the question. Please comment and tell me how much money you want to earn. There are a lot of people who earn $2,000 to $20,000 per month with affiliate marketing. Then who stops you? Here in this video, I'll share my screen with you and will tell you how you can post your free ads and ad post actually, and how you can promote DIGISTORE24 and Amazon and CLICKBANK products. Without wasting the time, let's move to the screen, but make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. So guys, I am on my screen and you can use DIGISTORE24 and also CLICKBANK as well for this method, but I will show you in DIGISTORE24 that I want the beginners learn as well. So mostly beginners use DIGISTORE24 as well. So I will recommend you to, if you are beginner, to start from DIGISTORE24, or if you are in advanced level, you can use CLICKBANK as well. So first of all, I am going to DIGISTORE24, then I'm going to click over here marketplace. If you don't know about DIGISTORE24, you can check my playlist and you will understand that what is actually DIGISTORE24 is, how you can select your products and niche research and trending products, that will each and everything on a playlist, so you can check. But now in this video I'm going to show you how you can boost your affiliate sales with this method. So first of all, we are going to select some niche. According to your niche, you can select any niche. Now I am going to select randomly any niche without researching, without any checking trending. So now I'm going to click over here. For example, this is going to be a video that in front of you, so I'm going to show you each and everything. So first of all, we are going to select some product over here. For example, I'm going to select product like animal and pets. So for example, how to train your puppy. This will give you $9 per sale. Okay, so I'm going to select this product, how to train your puppy, and now I'm going to show you how you can promote this product and boost your sales, right? So this is the website. This is called AdPost. AdPost is the biggest website, and I'm going to show you that how you can create account over here. Let's suppose I'm going to show you. I have checked something over here. So okay, so you can see over 3 million registered members, over 2 billion page views. Means over 3 million registered members, over 2 billion page views. This is very huge site, very huge site, and the good thing is they are targeting United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Ireland, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, Malaysia, and different countries. So that will be amazing thing. So for example, I'm going to select United States, and we will check some ads over here that we are going to promote. So we will select some category like books, and okay, we will select, I think, books, because we are going to promote books. So that's why, because that is a digital product. Book for training, I think. Okay, we are going to select other books. Okay, so after that there are 2806 results over here, and many people are actually promoting their ebooks or affiliate books or affiliate marketing link ebooks, right? So we are selected actually how to train your puppy, 75% commission if you want to make money on it. Okay, so this one is a highly recommended huge conversion product. Google ads and Facebook ads are allowed, but we are not going to target Google ads or Facebook ads, we are going to select free ads, free classified ads for this. Okay, so we are going to first of all check sales page. Okay, how you train, do you have a puppy in your house? Okay, so okay, right, we are going to check this one, puppy training, recommended guide to puppy training, a step-by-step activity guide. You can find some piece of content from here and there. Okay, you can use simple content from here, and you can use content from Google as well, but your content should be unique. Okay, so this will be not a big deal. So after that we will select okay, for example, this is the book. Okay, so this is actually ebook, right? So this will be a digital product, and you know, digital products sales better than physical products, cause people don't want to get wait for physical product, they buy digital product instantly. So that's why maybe people buy digital products as quick as possible, maybe. So guys, now we are going to create account first, and then we will post ads. You will go to the website main page, and then you will click over here sign up. Okay, and then you will click you will fill the formality, email, password, confirm password, first name, last name, username, country, uh, straight, city, optional, the things that comes in optional you can leave it. Okay, so guys, I have made account for you. Actually, this is the tutorial account for you, a fresh account. So after that, you will just need to go to the for example, I'm going to select over here United States, and then after here you can see post ad. You will click over here post ads, and then you will go to select your category which you are going to select. I mean, the product which you are going to select, you will choose that category. Your category should be correct, so the viewers and the buyers or the people will know that this category or this subcategory or this product is for them, right? So for example, we are going to promote ebooks, so I'm going to click over here for books, and after that the category will be books, and they are asking about which type of summary category are. So now I'm going to select other books. Okay, uh, caption, header, for sale, yeah, for sale, and caption, we are going to select caption from here. Okay, the product which we are going to promote. Okay, now I'm going to copy and paste over here. Description, we will get description, a little bit description we will get from here. So no, but this is just a random example. You can write unique description for yourself. Even you can use article rewriter for this. I'm going to select this one, puppet training the comment. Okay, this one, this is just a random example, as I said. Okay, so I'm going to post over here this one, and make sure after that you will add your link over here, but the link will be not no, the link will be not clickable. Okay, so if the link will be not clickable, the buyer, the person who are ready to buy your product, will just need to copy the link like this, and copy the link and paste in the Google or somewhere else for your landing. You should paste your landing page link, right? So after that you will just need to go to the down, and the optional compulsory, the optional things you should not fill, because this will be useless for you or me. So after that you will just need to go down and down and down, and then you can select United States, or if you are targeting United States audience, that's why I'm saying that you can select United States. Or if you are willing to promote the products for specific city, you can target, that will be your own choice. And after that you will just need to go to down and preview ad. Okay, preview ad will look like this, but this is just a random example. You should add some pictures, some eye-catchy description, title, your affiliate, your landing page link, and if you make your post ad more attractive, the buyer will be there will be higher chances buyer will get and buy your product. So hope this video will help you. If you have any question, you can ask me in comments. I have made many videos about affiliate marketing for digital marketing as well. Um, if you know more about how you can do affiliate marketing with different methods, with different free methods, so you can watch my videos, you can subscribe this channel, make sure to subscribe. So hope this will help you, and take care. Bye bye.